In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group shapes in PowerPoint. Grouping lets you treat several items, like shapes, text boxes, and images, as a single unit so you can move, resize, and format them all at once. It's a simple skill that keeps your slides tidy and saves a lot of time when you're arranging complex layouts. Start by opening your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation and make sure the slide that contains the items you want to group is ready. Navigate to that specific slide so everything you need is right in front of you. If it helps, zoom in a bit to see edges clearly and check that the objects you want to group are all on the same slide. Now it's time to select multiple objects. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard, and while you're holding it, click each shape, text box, or image you want to include. As you click, each one will show a highlight or an outline so you can confirm it's selected. If you accidentally pick the wrong item, just keep holding Control and click it again to deselect. Try not to click the slide background while selecting. That would clear your selection and you'd need to start again. Once everything you want is selected, right-click on any one of those selected objects. A context menu will appear right where you clicked. Look for the group option and hover your mouse over it. That will open a small submenu. If you see the group option is grayed out, it usually means you don't have at least 2 items selected, so double-check your selections. Click Group in the submenu. Instantly, all the selected objects become one grouped object. You'll notice a single bounding box with handles around the whole set. From here, you can drag to move the group as a unit or use the corner handles to resize while keeping everything together. Any formatting you apply, like fill colors, outlines, or effects, will affect the entire group, which helps you keep a consistent look. You can also rotate the group as a whole, making it much easier to fine-tune your layout. If you ever need to edit the pieces individually, ungrouping is just as easy. Right-click the grouped object, hover over group, and click ungroup. The items will separate so you can adjust them one by one. You can regroup them later by repeating the same grouping steps. By following these steps, you'll keep your slides organized and your workflow efficient. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.